G'day everybody, Steve from Mudduck's 4-wheel drive touring with an impromptu look at campgrounds. This one is on the Sugarloaf Range Road, which is off Mount Sugarloaf near Newcastle. Now, it's got some fireplaces and it's literally just off the road on the side of a hill. So this is a quick look. It looks like it's had a table. I'll go for a walk down here. It's had a table. That looks like it's seen better days. Now, I can't see any signs of any facilities other than this table. But and there's definitely fireplaces. So, I dare say people camp here. And you would camp here, but you need to be self-sufficient. There's obviously no facilities at all down near this table. That's pretty knackered as a fireplace, but look what you see around here. All this beautiful foliage, some really interesting cool rock formations up there. Now it's just be all easy to walk to and explore. It's half an hour out of Newcastle tops. There is a little bit of Sugarloaf Range Road is a 4-wheel drive track. Bet you could drive carefully in a Commodore. Would I do that? No, I would drive a 4-wheel drive up here. And particularly to get into this campground, it's a... Oh no, hang on, it's drivable. Give you a look at this, guys. A little bit bumpy there. That's not the way I came into it. But, a little bit bumpy, a little bit of litter. Really, guys? Litter? Alright, people watch my channel. You don't do this. You know better. If you come across my channel, don't litter, guys. Just don't. Anyhow, this is... I'm not 100% sure how I found this campground. I think the main road's just down there. And I just turned up here. I will endeavour to get some kind of GPS coordinate for it. I don't even know what it's called, if it has a name. So, yeah. it's a strange one. I was up here doing something else and I found this. So, yeah, the road just brought me up here. They came to an end at this campground. So, there you go. I might try and find a GPS coordinate for it and see if I can get a name or something. Anyway, little campground off the Sugarloaf Range Road. I have a feeling that Brett, the den monkey, knows more about it. I'll make some inquiries. So I would suggest 4-wheel drive access. You need to be self-contained. There's a little concrete block there. I don't know what they used to do. Not a lot of level, but you can go over it. There's enough bits where you can certainly be comfortable. People had fires on the ground. I don't think it'd matter too much. Just not today. It's probably all I can show you, that campground, to be honest. So not today. No fires today, guys. We are in... Just tilting that. Hope that's not too bad for you. We are in a total fire ban. And as anybody's probably no doubt aware, at this time of year, this is early December, New South Wales has had catastrophic fires everywhere. We're a bit lucky around Newcastle at the moment. We've got some around Mudduck area, some down the Central Coast, but none around Newcastle, no, this part. So, but it could happen. Have a look where I am. This could go up. They might turf us out of here, who knows. Anyway, that's a little tiny impromptu spotlight on camps. Hopefully my GoPro 8 has picked me up well, because I really haven't used it before. So I don't know how it's going in vlog mode. Anyway, usual stuff. Okay, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like what you saw, please put a like on it. feel free to make comments, and I read all the comments, guys, and I take anything on board. Criticism of my lack of camera ability, my editing, whatever, you know, I'm open to it. All right, have a good day, guys. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. Cheers for now. Now, really going to test out the stability. I'm going to shake this camera up and down. I'm not going to know what this looks like till I edit it. I am really shaking that up and down. That would be absolutely crap on a GoPro 3. Anyway, see how the 8 handles it. Cheers.